Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at this Hyundai Santa Fe. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Taking a look inside at the cloth interior, seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Santa Fe is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Hyundai on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.